it's Mikayla. So today I'm going to be filming a life update sort of video. There's a lot of things that I have going on in my life at the moment, not like bad things or anything, but things that I want to like talk about. I have a lot of plans that I am, excited for, and things that I really want to happen. So that's why I thought to make this video, kind of to motivate me and to kind of get my mind in the zone of things. I literally have school in about 10-20 minutes. I wanted to film this video, and yeah, before I get into this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and follow my social media. That is right there, Mikayla J218. And yeah, let's just get into the video. So the very first thing that I want to mention, which is what I mentioned in my last video, was this new background of mine. I decided to install some blue lights, blue Christmas lights. I mean, they're supposed to be for Christmas, and I bought them for Christmas time, but like I had the choice of these blue ones or like rainbow ones, I think, but I decided to go with like a simple one. I've just stuck it up with like sticky tape, so if you can like see the sticky tape on the wall, sorry. Yeah, I thought it looks so cool. Like it should probably be up a little bit higher, but it's not. This wall is the main focus right here. I honestly love this background. I want to have it for like all of my videos because I think it just looks like really like sleek and like elegant kind of thing, even though they're like literally $2. So another thing that I want to mention is I finally got a car. So I haven't really mentioned this, but a month ago I finally got my car, and I got it within the time frame that I wanted to get it in, which was before February. And I got a Holden Astra, a 1999 Holden Astra, and I plan on doing like drive with me's. Like I really want to film like drive with me's and stuff, because I feel like that would be so much fun. I tried attempting a drive with me with my boyfriend, but the quality wasn't good. It was pouring outside, raining, so I think I'm just going to do it on days that are like, like this, like really pretty, but I have school, so I can't do it. So, and I feel like it'd be so much fun like taking a camera with me, like doing errands. Like I don't know, I really want to be a vlogger. Like I've done vlogs in the past, but like they were bad. Like yeah, I tried to do Vlogmas and it didn't work out the way that I wanted it to. Like my room wasn't clean enough at the time where I could film like everywhere in my room, so I just found myself filming here anyway, so like what was the point? But it was so much fun. I stuck with it for about 10 days in a row, and I had like a lot of fun like filming it. I really just like talking about my life. Like I've noticed like if I were to do vlogging, I would love it so much because of the fact that I just like talking a lot about myself. Another thing that I want to mention, which is so incredibly exciting, is I want to, and am in the process of, having my own brand. So I've been wanting to do this thing for a very long time. I want to have my own brand, and I've already got the name. I'm not going to say the name because someone might steal it by the time I register it, so but yeah, it's really exciting. I am making my own body scrubs, coffee body scrubs, and I will be launching it on Etsy. So I just got to get more materials, and I have everything planned out. Like I've got like test dummies of like coffee scrubs in my shower at the moment, and I finally came up with the one that I really like. So that's the one that I'm going to be going with, and I just need to order some jars in, and it's just going to be an exciting process. I'm really excited to launch that. I'll be making a video all about that, but like that's one of the things that I'm like so excited for. I really want to grow my YouTube channel and eventually have my own company. That would be so exciting. I have like envisions in the future of maybe having my own makeup brand. That would be amazing. Or just skincare line. Like I'm already in the process of doing skincare. It's just really exciting. Like literally this coffee scrub is perfect. Like it leaves my skin feeling so amazing. I used it last night. My skin is just beautiful. I also have a couple more products that I'm working on, but at the moment the coffee scrub is definitely the one that I'm going for at the moment. Like I love my coffee scrubs. Like I pretty much use this like nearly every day. Probably shouldn't be doing that, but like I like using it every day, so that's what I'm doing. So that was literally like a huge announcement that I just did. Like I would have announced this ages ago, but I wanted to like kind of like keep it in until I came up with the like actual like final product. That's another reason why I want to build my social platform, is so I am able to market things like this, like my products and stuff. Like that'd be so much fun. I also love doing YouTube just to film videos about myself, because as I mentioned in like a previous video as to why I haven't been filming videos lately, is I actually, some things at school was happening which is ironic because it's my last year of school and I'm supposed to be focusing just on schoolwork, but people wanted to ruin that for me for about 2 weeks. I still got work done, obviously, but like I had so many other things like going on in my mind. But some people are so bloody selfish, like it's actual ridiculous. Like I'm at school to do my work and you're trying to ruin that for me. Like, do you even have a life? Like, what are you doing with your school life? Like, come on, do the work and get a good job. That's all I'm focusing on at the moment, is getting a high ATAR, doing all the work that I need to do in order to get a high paying job, because that's what I want. I have very expensive taste. I have, you should have seen like what I was doing yesterday, like literally, I like finished some of my schoolwork, so I decided to like, this was at school by the way, just go like Ferrari.com, BMW.com, like customizing my own car and then seeing how much it would cost. 150,000. So, not sure how that's gonna go, but that's why I want a high paying job so I can have a car like that. The only problem with BMW is that I don't think they cater towards like people who don't want leather. So I'm gonna have to definitely get my car custom made, which means I'm definitely gonna have to have a brand new car. BMWs ain't cheap. Like literally driving through Adelaide, I didn't realize how expensive BMWs were until like I actually like looked it up, and literally I just look at everyone like driving past in a BMW, I'm like, how? Like, how did they get that money? But let's be honest, they would have borrowed it, and I plan on borrowing money to get this car. Literally, BMWs are like my favorite car ever. Like, they're so beautiful, and I'm gonna have one. Like, I just am. I don't get why everyone is obsessed with Jeeps when there's Land Rovers out there. Like, Land Rovers look so much better than Jeeps. Like, Jeeps are beautiful, but like if I chose a Jeep over a Land Rover, especially like the new ones, I'd choose a Land Rover. Land Rover or Range Rover, who knows. And then Ferraris are like literally beautiful. If I ever get rich, I told my parents this, I'm just like, I literally said to my parents, don't hold my word for it, but if I ever get rich, I will buy you a BMW, a Porsche, blah blah blah, whatever car they want. But then I was like, but don't actually think that's gonna happen. I mean, if it does happen, that'd be great, but like, it probably ain't gonna happen. But yeah, I would have so much fun buying my parents like cars. But yeah, I don't think I really have anything else to say. I don't really have any other life updates except for the fact that I have a lot of goals, especially like subscriber base and like watch time base, because I was eligible for the like partner program thing, or like Google AdSense or whatever, but then they changed the things like just before my birthday, just before I turned 18. So now I just gotta work a lot more harder than I was before. If you don't know what that noise is right now, my dad just turned on his motorbike, so he's probably going somewhere. Should probably say bye to him, but I'm filming. Anyway, that concludes this video. If you want to see more life updates and videos based around me just talking about myself, that would make sure you let me know by liking, commenting and subscribing. Make sure you follow my social media, which is right there, Mikayla Jayde 218. And if you like this background, make sure you let me know. I really, like, I'm loving it, but I'm not sure about you, so let me know. If you want me to like try out different colors. Ooh, that did not happen. So yeah, I'm really determined to make really good content, and yeah, just get like, because I've been gaining quite a lot of subscribers lately. Like, I have 356 at the moment, so I really hope I can get to 1,000 before the 6th of June. I meant the 1st of June. Whatever. I'm gonna go now, so bye.